July 2020, featuring Kone 86 and also elevators from Norway today, our special guest in Helsinki. So this is also built in 1962 on Vuorimiehenkatu, Vuorimiehenkatu on 21, staircase A, where I filmed also the staircase B, C, D, and it's only the staircase E left to be filmed. There's your resolution 10356 here. I think it's a bit...
I think it's this one.
Yeah, we'll try to squeeze in.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can open it so that because I need to adjust my... This one was a bit bad. So
Yeah.
if I put this bad bag like here, it's so bad.
Should I come in?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, dit bare liftinstituttet med den fra Kone.
Second drive or...
Yeah.
And back again to the first floor. Okay, well then that's it. Thank you very much for watching. It was completely impossible for this. Just too bad that part of this all started due to renovation.
Yeah.
I hope we can get to the staircase E as soon as possible, and that will be the last one to be filmed.
That's